Okay, so my son got a flat, so I'm gonna show you guys how to change the inner tube. Just take off the nuts. Now you're ready to remove the front wheel. Then you simply just pry off the tire, pull this out, and separate the tire from the actual rim. As so. Then you take out the old inner tube. And now, once it's completely out, we're ready for the new inner tube. Now, I personally went with the Slime brand since it has the self-healing. My son tends to go off-roading a lot, so in the event that there's another puncture, this one just it seals itself. So now all I have to do is put the new one into the tire and we're ready. I put a little bit of air so it's easier, so just stick it back in. And it's almost done. Now we simply just line up the inner tube and pry it all back in, and we're ready to mount it back on the bike. Okay, so it's back on. Now most of the tires do have directional, so make sure you follow the direction so it can match the back tire to ensure that it's installed correctly. And all we have to do is put the nuts back on and we should be good to go. All right, we're almost done. Now we just gotta pump some air and it's good to go. Just make sure you tighten this properly and test it out. Put some air and you're good to go. Now we're pumping some air. Make sure you read the tires. It tells you the maximum PSI that you want to put. So for this bike, the max is 40. I'm currently at 20. So I'm gonna make sure I don't exceed the 40 PSI.